Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to discuss my opinion about an important topic. The vaccination is gaining its speed in Canada. People are getting inoculated and more dosages are coming in. And as per the plan by the federal government, by September, whoever wants to get inoculated would be inoculated. So by September, I was looking at some numbers, around 75% of eligible people would have their shots. Now, at this time, when they say that many activities will return, like people will start going for indoor gatherings, people those who work from internal of, indoor offices, they would return back to work. So this is the moment, based on my opinion, will be when the real reopening will start. Because if people will go back to work, means economy starts. When economy starts, means jobs pick up. uh, Other people, those who depend on these jobs, would get back to work as well. And if things are still normal, then that is the moment we may see even immigration from other countries would be triggered off. Because as of now, if you see the image, again, when I'm proceeding ahead with this discussion, this is just my opinion, and this should not be considered a legal or any official advice at all. This is just my opinion based on what I have read and what I have understood, and I could be absolutely wrong. So if you take anything out of it for your case or your scenario, I'm not responsible for any outcome. So what I believe here is, when things do open, then at that time the government may start to return back to pre-pandemic overseas immigration. By using the word overseas immigration means uh, conducting federal skill draws, inviting people from other countries. I mean to say, like opening visitor visa, because already there has been a discussion about reopening US Canada border, and our honorable government is already in discussion about that. I read in this in a news article. Of course, like it is too early to say, because whether it will be phased wise or what, like the details I have not yet arrived. But anyway, ultimately it's gonna happen, because we all have to come out of this pandemic one day. So what I think is, like by September, if things get normalized up to the extent that people, those who work indoor, can go back to work, that is the moment we would see more traffic coming into restaurants and other public places. We may see exhibitions, we may see um, conferences and other things that happen normally and hadn't been happening because of the pandemic. So in-person gatherings would resume, and that is the time when immigration and jobs both will pick up. Because the government of Canada has plans for economic recovery through immigration, and we have been seeing. But if you have noticed, they have been doing it mostly by letting people, those who are already in Canada on temporary basis, to become permanent. But at the same time, many people in other countries, those who have Canadian dreams, are really struggling to get through, because no federal skill draws are being conducted. And in these new pilot programs that they have launched, like New Pathway, the first thing is that you have to be in Canada. So a lot of people are not able to get through that. But most probably by then, things would turn back towards normal and things would get back to. But yes, we all have to wait and watch. But yes, things would be better. But what I think by then, of course, like whole world is not going to be inoculated by this September. Canada has low population, and so that is why we have good chances of complete it by September, at least those who really want. So one possible scenario I can think of over here is, when it comes to immigration, we may have country based immigration. I mean to say, like we may have some specific arrangements. We have already seen this with Australia, right? They have travel bubble arrangement with New Zealand, Singapore. So we may have similar things with USA. We may have similar things with European Union. That's going on now. For from certain countries, based on the situation, then there could be more restrictions. For example, right now flights are banned from India and Pakistan because of huge coronavirus cases rise. We don't know if by September or whenever the cases are going to go down or spike. So there are certain things which are really uncertain. So we'll see it by then how things go then, and probably based on the situation, then the government will of Canada will change its advisory and all. But based on my analysis, I see some foreign tourists arriving in Canada by September end. so that we may have something good to cheer up. And I see some economic recovery by then based on my analysis. Again, as I say, this is not legal or official advice at all. This is just my discussion. But I think by September things would start being normalized. People would start coming back in, and things will improve as well. Thanks for watching.